Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone to today's instructional video about CVC words. Without any further delay, let's begin from page number 1 of your given booklet. So, let's start with the first word. Ant, cat, man, dad, hack, tag, x, tap, sad, bad, rag, damn. Now that's all for the first page, and let's head on to the next page, page number 2. First word is as jam, yam, ham, fan, can, bag, pan, cap, gap, lap, had, and bat. That's all for this page. Now let's move on to the next page, page number 3. Rat, ink, ill, bib, hid, kid, lid, mid, big, dig, fig, jig. Page number 4 starts as wig, fin,